chicken in green curry sauce. We're doing an international cuisine today. Stay with me because we are exploring and sharing this very tasty Thai cuisine. In Thai, it's called Gang Khiao One. I hope I pronounced it right. No matter how we pronounce it, it's sure tasty. We'll just have to rewind and I'm gonna show you how I prepared this chicken in green curry sauce.
You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. It's recommended to use chicken breast or boneless chicken thigh, which I have here.
Just 10 slices.
Voila! The chicken has been prepped. The rest of the ingredients from the store, canned bamboo shoot, canned coconut milk, and pre-prepared or from the jar, green curry sauce. Plus our feature today from the garden, fresh basil leaves. There are additional Thai ingredients that are needed here, but I did not include them. I forgot, sorry. Fish sauce and sugar. I'm sure you have them.
In addition to this, there are frozen ingredients that I'll be using, kaffir leaves and the chili for garnishing. The base is already piquant or hot, spicy, but the red chili serves as decoration. It gives more color to our dish, not just tasty but more visually appealing. We'll be preparing this as authentic as we possibly can. I'll be dividing the gata or the tomato. I'll be dividing the coconut milk into approximately 2. And I'll use the first portion to stir fry the chicken. First reduce it. Singlad kung naming Ilocano.
Stir it as it boils until we get into this consistency.
In my native Ilocano, we have a verb for this process, the reduction of coconut milk, making it coconut oil, or almost. We call it singlan. Do you have it in your language? I can stir fry the green curry paste now. This is something that is difficult to prepare from scratch, so it's better to use a pre-prepared paste. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of this.
It's just expensive to buy the individual ingredients, that's why it's more convenient and economical to buy a pre-prepared sauce like this.
This can be hot or spicy, that's why it's good to limit it to just 3 spoons for this amount of chicken. If you want it to be greener, we can simply add pounded basil.
At this stage we are ready to add or to stir fry the chicken pieces. Stir fry this until the chicken is almost cooked, let's say, until it loses its pink color.
I'm using here chicken thigh, that's why I'm stir frying it first, or I'm sauteing it first. This was chicken breast. It will be the other way around. First coconut milk and then the chicken breast, because chicken breast cooks faster. That's what I learned from the Thai. If you notice, I did not use any ginger, garlic or onion because the paste already contains those.
In case you're interested, or if you dare to make this from scratch, here are the ingredients.
It contains green chili, which gives that grassy smell, or even grassy taste. If that was red chili as that used for red curry, it would have a fruitier flavor instead.
It begins to sizzle, so I'm adding approximately 1 cup of water.
It's not green enough for me, so I'll be adding more color by using basil leaves. Not this, because it can be very spicy. So just basil leaves. And from our garden, this is a gardening and cooking channel after all. I'll use the rest for decorating it later, before serving, just before serving.
Ideally, finely pounded, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're just after the color anyway. See? It became greener.
Typical of Thai cuisine is the addition of sugar, palm sugar, which I have.
If you're enjoying what you're watching and you find the instructional value, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any uploads every Friday and garden fresh cooking every Wednesday. Now the soul of Thai cooking, patis.
Initially 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Initially 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If it's anemic, we'll add more. And the rest of the coconut milk now. I did not mention earlier, but we'll be adding some chicken powder or chicken cubes as well. I limit it because it's a bit salty now. Another distinguishing mark of Thai cuisine is the use of kaffir lime leaves, which I have also frozen. This is a wonder. It really complements the creaminess. It gives aroma to dishes. It goes perfectly well with coconut milk. Those of you who are watching in Anda, if you're looking for kaffir lime leaves, I have planted 2 of this at home, at the back of our home. So if you need some, just go to our house and ask for this leaf. Not all, just some. When it comes to international cuisine, I admire Thailand, really. They have well-developed cuisine. The flavors are complex. There's the combination of the kaffir lime, the patis, etc. To be honest, our Pinoy food can't compare to the Thai food. It's well developed thanks to their to the king, who stimulated the development of their cuisine. Yes, Thai food is really known internationally. I have here canned labong or bamboo shoots, which I'm adding next. While this cooks, my rice is also cooking at the other side. Yes, this must be eaten with rice. And it has to be strong in taste because the rice mellows the taste. You need rice to mellow the taste.
Let's prepare the garnishing now. Let's start with the red chili. Into thin strips, julienne, as they call it.
And just before serving, I'm gonna garnish it just for the colors with fresh from the garden basil leaves.
This is a quick dish. It cooks in just less than 15 minutes.
It's important to add the basil leaves towards the end because it will turn gray. It's now cooked. I'm delighted. Really, I'm very happy. I'm going to do this again more frequently. Gawin nyo na rin. Make it at home too. Really, I'm happy. Thank you for joining me here today. If this is your content, if this is the kind of content you love watching, join me again next time. See you on the next videos as we bring you experiences in growing, cooking and sharing. Channel 1, Kitchen and Garden. Your Korean uncle here, Ramiro.